Hi there, and today we're going to tackle the Shopify navigation tab not showing in the online store. So if you're using Shopify before the update in Shopify, you should see the navigation tab right here in the online store, right here in the sidebar. But now, in the updated version, the navigation tab is not here anymore. So this is because the navigation tab is moved right here to content, and then it is now called menus instead of navigation. So I don't really know the reason why Shopify did this. So there isn't any description in the change log for the update. So they just automatically changed the navigation tab into menus, and then they put it right here in content beside the meta objects, the files, and then the blog posts. So once you're here, you can still do everything that you can do in the navigation tab. You can change the main menu right here. So right now I have a home, a catalog, and then if I want to add another page, I can just click the add menu item. And then for example, I want to add the news page. So we can just select it like this, click on save, go to the online store, and then view the store right here, and then we should see the change right here in our main menu. And then that is basically it. So the navigation tab is now located right here in the content tab, and it is now called menus. Then you can go ahead and edit your menus right here, just like as you did before in the navigation tab. And then that is it. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.